Hi, I'm Dr. Top. I'm a diplomat American Board of Hair Restoration Surgery. First of all, today topic is one of the interesting case when the doctor become the patient. How the doctor select me is really it be my honor to take care my colleague around the world. Actually, one of the professional doctor they will ask a lot and they know information about the hair transplant. I very honor to treat the one of our doctor around the world. One is plastic surgeon. You can see on this slide. And today we will select one case, Dr. Zac Turner from Sydney. I will ask the Dr. Zac, why you come far away from Sydney? How you select me? Why you about the technique, about the result, about the price, or how you select? Why you select us? Actually, before Dr. Zac make a decision, um, I talk directly with him. Because I asked Dr. Zac, is so many doctor in Sydney. They are got a very high experience and have the diplomat American board in hair restoration surgery. And I talk, Dr. Zac, why you come far away? You can select the doctor in your hometown in Sydney. It's so many doctor in there. You can see in the case of Dr. Sachs, he has the thinning hair on the frontal hairline. It look like the simple. You like the simple, but it's not a simple when you see the next slide. The next slide is the hair transplant. Hair transplant is you need to know hair transplant. When we take the hair from the back, so many patients they don't know the hair will not regrowth because after we take it out, you will get no regrowth anymore. That's why we have limitation for the donor area. And the recipient size, the recipient area will lose when the time is passed. You can see on this Dr. Zac, he has only small amount of the donor area. Why? Because he received the hair transplant past 15 years ago with the FUT technique. And then if we harvest the graft a lot, we will have the problem over harvest. This is what some of the picture. If we harvest the graft on the occipital area or the back area too much, and then I talk to the Zac, you have limit up to donor area, and then we discuss before we make a decision. Why you select us? Okay, first of all, when the Dr. Zac told me, Dr. Top, okay, we are physician, we know we have to select the qualified physician. How you select the qualified physician? After 6 years of the medical school, when we got the medical license, every doctor can do the hair transplant. And some of the country they take the 1 day course, 2 day course, 1 day workshop, and then they start to work as a hair transplant surgeon. For the better and experience, doctor should take, for my experience, should take the at least 1 month or 1 year for the fellowship course for the hair transplant. One important thing, qualified and recognized by international is American Board of Hair Restoration Surgery. You can do the research ABHRS. That's why you should select one of the qualified physician because they have to do the passing. They have to have the passing the test. They have to the doctor who pass this test have only 300 doctor around the world. They have to prove their competency to do the hair transplant. The Dr. Zac and doctor around the world select. Okay, you have to have the diplomat American board. And then when I talked with the Dr. Zac, and then he said, okay, we see the review on the YouTube. And one thing before you make a decision, review from the picture is only two. How can I say? It's only 2 dimension. For the 3 dimension, you have to see the video review is very important. And another thing, I was invited to be a speaker around the world. And the technique I use for Dr. Zac is nano fat. Nano fat is we use your own patient fat. You can do the research or you can ask ChatGPT nano fat for hair loss. When you do that, you're gonna see the publication paper. There's so many paper approved for treating the hair loss with your own fat. And before you make a decision, you should ask your clinic or your doctor, can I take the video all the time? All the time, all every step, because some country and some clinic, the operation is not done by the doctor, only technician. That's the thing. Our clinic is standard. You can ask for the video and take all the video all the time during the surgery. The thing for Dr. Zac select me is not the price. The price you should cut it off because he come very far away from Sydney, spend the time 5 day. They try to select. I don't want him to. I don't want my colleague or Dr. Zac to disappoint. And I show some of the result. This is before and after from our treatment. You can see the video for the full video of Dr. Zac review case in the normal video in my YouTube channel. And I have to say thank you, Dr. Zac, again to allow us to share the result after surgery. And I think this video will be beneficial and useful for the people who consider the hair transplant clinic. Thank you very much. Okay.